Hello po. Napaka-importante sa Diyos ang ating kaluluwa. Listen to this verse of the day. What good will it be for someone to gain the whole world, yet forfeit their soul? Or what can anyone give in exchange for their soul? The world represents career, money, wealth, fame, pleasure, and power, things that are temporary. Our soul is eternal, created to live forever with God. Jesus is telling us not to get attached with worldly pleasures because it does not belong in His kingdom. Our soul belongs in His kingdom. Mga mahal ko, mas mahalaga ang kaluluwa natin kaysa sa anumang yaman sa mundo. O siya, God bless po.